We take out the chip of the supermodel machine. Install the battery. Close the key cover and then make the key. Prepare mini key tool or Xhorse pad. Use the mobile phone to download Xhorse app. If you use Xhorse pads, then you do not need to use phones. Then choose mini key tool software in our phones. Connect the device via Bluetooth. The software will automatically recognize the device. Click connect. Then we'll put the key with battery into the groove of the handheld of mini key tool. Use the phone to choose the type of keys you want to make. Click Generate Remote. Key XDNS00EN wireless remote key is made in the same way as above. We take out the chip. Insert the chip with one end of cable that comes with mini key tool. Insert the device with the other end of the cable. Note: do not install battery into the wired remote keys, otherwise the keys cannot be made. The rest 3 types of remote key need battery. Then select a wired remote key type to generate. Key XKB501EN wired remote key is made in the same way as above. The above is the whole content of the video. Thank you for watching.